Hello, my dear lovable children. How are you all? I welcome you to grade 3. I hope you all are eagerly waiting to learn new lesson. Today's subject social science. Term 1. In term 1 we have 4 lessons and the first lesson is family. Unit 1 family. Do you know what is family? I know very well, you all know very well about family. Am I correct? Okay dears. And in this lesson, a conversation between Madhi and Kabir is given here. Are you ready to follow me? Okay dears. Dialogue. Madhi and Kabir are friends. Both the friends meet in the market. Madhi. Hi Kabir. It has been so long since we met. How are you? Kabir. Yeah, I'm so happy to see you. How are you? Madhi. Yeah, I'm fine too. Do you know, I went on a tour to Nilgiri jungle, Masinagudi with my uncle. Yeah, first Madhi and Kabir inquired about their wellness. After that, Madhi told Kabir he went a tour to Nilgiri jungle with his uncle. Okay, have you ever visited jungle? Yes. What is mean by jungle? Jungle means forest. Very good, forest. Next, Kabir. Really? I don't know. Tell me more. Madhi. It was a wonderful place to visit. We saw many birds and animals living in the jungle. Yeah, you know very well many birds and animals are living in the jungle. Kabir. Oh, I see. Madhi. Yes, I can't express my experience in words. It was wonder to see animals living as a family. Yeah, dears, in the jungle, Madhi saw the animals and birds are living as a family. Yeah, animals and birds also living as a family. Kabir. Families. Do the animals live in families like us? Yeah, so Kabir had a doubt. Do the animals live in families like us? Madhi. Yes, it's true. If you have a chance, please go and see. Kabir. Sure, I will tell my daddy to take me there during this holiday. Madhi. Good. Shall we play a word game now? I will ask you questions and you should answer. So Madhi and Kabir are going to play a word game. Okay dears? Now Madhi is going to ask some questions. Kabir was ready to reply the questions. Answer the questions. Kabir, I am always ready for a challenge. Ask me any questions. Madhi, where do lions live? Where do lions live? My dear children, do you know that? Where do lions live? Yeah, correct. Lions live in jungle. Kabir, very simple. Lions live in jungle. What is mean by jungle? Forest. Very good. Madhi, correct. But lions live together as a family in caves. Yeah. Do you know caves? What is cave? Kuhai. So lions live together. What means together? Together means சேர்ந்து. Lions live together as a family in caves. Lionsல என்ன பண்ணுது? சேர்ந்து cavesல ஃபேமிலியா live பண்ணுது. Kabir. Okay, ask me the next question. Madhi. Where do birds live? Do you know where do birds live? Yeah, it lives in the nest. Kabir. Birds live in the nest built on trees or in high places. Yeah. Where do birds live? Build the nest? It built on trees or high places. Isn't it? Yeah. Madhi. Good. What do we call a group of elephants? What do we call a group of elephants? Kabir. Parade. Am I right? Madhi. Exactly, you are right. So, group of elephants are called as parade. Group of elephants are called as Parade. P-A-R-A-D-E. Parade. Okay dears, have you got it? Superb. Next. Kabir. We learned that animals live together. Madi. It was fun for me too. I am happy that I can share with you. Kabir. Okay, it's time to move. Madi. Yes, let us also join our families. So, Madi and Kabir also now going to join their families. It means they are ready to go to their home. Okay, dear friends, let us know about our families. Are you all ready? Know about our families? Our family. Father, mother, children and other close relations live together in a family. Yeah, dears, in a family, who are all there? Father, mother, children and other close relations. Close relations means grandpa, grandma, uncle, aunt, cousins, like that. Okay. Here, this side, how many families live in your street? How many families live in your street? In my street, there are 11 families. Okay, dear, live in my street. How many families live in your street? Okay. Next, you are seeing a picture. First picture, just a man and woman. They are called as individual. Individual means தனியால இருக்குது. Okay va? Then some in for grandma, grandpa, father, mother and children are there. It is called as family. So individual means தனியா இருக்குது. So group of individuals known as family. After that, here I think 3 families are there. So many families make a society. S-O-C-I-E-T-Y. Society. Very good. So individual means single man or single woman. So group of individuals together make a family and families together make a society. Okay, understood? Yeah. Here in that box they given individuals together make a family and families together make a society. Have you got it? Individuals together make a family and families together make a society. Have you got it? Okay, dears. Now, people with diversity in language, culture and habits live all over the world in families. Yeah, dears, in our India and also in our India also we have diversity in every state. In Tamil Nadu we are following some habits and we are talking Tamil and we have many habits, but in our neighbor state or the other countries they have another habits, another lifestyle and they are speaking another language. So it means diversity. Diversity means difference. Okay. So people with diversity in language. Language means, I know very well, you know that. Language na moli in the பேசுவோம்ல that. Next, culture. Culture means கலாச்சாரம். நம்ம ஒரு கல்ச்சர் ஒரு மாதிரி ஃபுட்டு சாப்பிடுவோம் ப்ளஸ் நம்ம ஒரு மாதிரி ஃபெஸ்டிவல்ஸ் செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுவோம் லைக் தட். அண்ட் ஹேபிட்ஸ். ஹேபிட்ஸ் மீன்ஸ் நம்ம என்ன நிறைய ஹேபிட்ஸ்லாம் வச்சுருப்போம்ல, வெளியில் போகும்போது இப்படி போகணும், வீட்டுக்கு ஒருத்தவங்க வந்தாங்கன்னா இப்படி எல்லாம் வெல்கம் பண்ணணும், வந்தோடனே வீட்டுக்கு யாராவது கெஸ்ட் வந்தால் தண்ணி கொண்டு வந்து கொடுக்கணும். இஸ் இட் ஹேபிட்ஸ்? ஸோ we have some habits. In another country they have another type of habits. So it is diversity. Okay dears, people with diversity in language, culture and habits live all over the world in families. So all over the world they all live in families. Okay dears, here is the picture. In first picture Indian family is given, next Mexican family, and see the dress code. How is it? Is it all same? No, it all are different. Mexican family, Chinese family, African family. Scottish family, Russian family, Japanese family and Arab family. Okay dears? Super. Next. Yeah, next you have a activity. You have an activity. Paste the pictures of your family in the family tree given below. Okay dears? Here you see grandfather. Wait. First you have to stick your photo here, me. Next your brother, sister, brother. Then your father, mother. After that your grandfather, grandmother. This side your mother's mom and dad. And this side father's grandfather and grandmother. Okay guys, have you got my point? So this is an activity. So take an A4 sheet. Okay dear, if you have the book, just paste a photo in your book. Otherwise just you take an A4 sheet. All should take. This is assignment number 1. All should take an A4 sheet and draw a tree like that, family tree, and stick your family photos. Okay dears, this is the homework for you. I hope you all are enjoying my lesson, isn't it? Okay dears, bye.